Hi, my name is Daniela Prieto, and I'll talk about some popular desserts and appetizers in English. And I will say if I have taken home doggy bags and why or why not. Okay, first question. What are some popular appetizers and desserts? Hmm, okay, some popular desserts from my country or other countries are, for example, cupcakes, banana split, brownies, and fruit salad. I like fruit salad because fruit salad is more delicious than brownie and it is healthier than cupcakes. Well, some popular appetizers from my country are, for example, caviar, chicken wings, patty, donut, nachos, chicken nuggets, ceviche. Of these, I prefer ceviche because it's more delicious than nachos. I don't like chicken wings because chicken wings are oilier than patty. Well, second one, do you ever take home doggy bags? Why or why not? Okay, yes. Sometimes I have taken home doggy bags to carry extra food home from a restaurant because there is a lot of food left. Thank you very much.